Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time here, my name is Rethabile, but I'm known as Rethabz. So in today's video guys, we are going to create a college makeup look, or I should say university makeup look. Just a minimal makeup and using 7 products, something that you can just apply each and every day if you are a makeup kind of a person. So yeah, this is just a minimal makeup tutorial. As you can see here, I've applied only just 7 products, so some of them are just optional, but the main focus is going to be on 7 most important products, just to give definition to your face and stuff like that, to bring back that shadows on your skin or on your face. So I just hope you are going to enjoy this tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell button to be notified every time when my videos goes out. So without wasting any more time guys, let's get straight into this tutorial.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the...
So since, well, this is just a minimal makeup tutorial and we are just going to use 7 products, so I am going to start with primer, which is very important to start with it because it will protect you from all the harsh makeup products. So the primer that I am going to use is the Rimmel Fix and Protect makeup primer. So this primer guys is so amazing. I know that the last time I used it, I did not make a review on it, on how it is. So this primer is so amazing. It's very good for people with oily skin, and it blends very well with your foundation. I don't know, maybe it blends very well with only Maybelline Fit Me foundation, since, well, that's the one I am using currently. So yeah, but it is the best primer guys so far, and I really do love it. So that's what I can recommend for you. And again, it has an SPF, and it is very important to have something that has SPF, or a primer that has an SPF, since, well, it is going to help you, like, it's going to act as a sunscreen, if you get what I mean. So I'm just going to apply this primer, then we are going to move to foundation. So the foundation that I am going to use, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is Home Ginger. That's my shade, is 344. So far this is my shade, and I am very happy that I was able to find my shade without mix and match. So, and to apply this foundation, I am just going to use a foundation brush, then I am going to go in with a beauty blender. So if you have dark spots guys, as I've been telling you in most of my tutorials, what you do with a foundation that you think or you feel like it does not have the enough coverage that you are looking for, so what you do is you build it in. So what I mean about building it in, you apply a small amount first, then you blend it and at least wait for 3 to 5 minutes, then apply another layer of foundation. So that's the easiest way of building it in. So with regards to the type of foundation that you should apply as a student, it is all up to you whether you like full coverage foundations or you just like light or skin like foundation. So it's all up to you. So I am a girl who loves full coverage, so hence I am using a full coverage foundation for this tutorial. So today I'm just going to use a different method in applying my makeup. So I'm going to set my foundation, since well I am not going to use a concealer. Yes, I know. So this is a minimal tutorial for college, so you don't need too much. You just need something very quick and at the end of the day look amazing. So I am going to set my foundation using the Rimmel Lasting Finish Long Wear Pressed Powder. It's high coverage and it is matte, and I am in the shade Almond, which is number 7. So guys, Rimmel products are so amazing, guys. I am telling you, with this pressed powder, guys, that your makeup is going to stay on one place the whole day, like literally. I am not lying with this one. This is one of the best pressed powder that I have used, and I am very happy with how it holds my makeup the whole day. So now, since well we have applied only foundation on our face, a foundation is giving your face only just one shade, and your face needs at least shadows to be able to define it and to look a little bit slim. So for that, since well I'm not going to use any concealer, I am going to use a setting powder just to brighten up all the areas that you have to apply concealer to highlight your face. So I am going to use the Revlon Candid Photo Ready setting powder, and I am in the shade number 2. And to apply it, I am going to use the beauty blender. So you just apply it on all the areas that you are supposed to highlight using concealer. So I am reverse contouring as well. I'm going to set my eyelid as well, since we are not going to apply any eyeshadow. So to contour, guys, I am going to use the Any Lady palette using this shade, since well this is my favorite shade to contour. So we are just bringing back all those shades from our face. So I'm just going to contour. You know, guys, I am watching A Diary of a Mad Black Woman, like that movie, or is it a movie or the drama, whatever it is the best one ever. So I am trying to concentrate on the video as well as on the movie, but it's very hard. But let me just continue, guys. But that is the best movie ever. So now we are moving to the eyes, and I am going to apply an eyeliner. So with an eyeliner, it's optional. I feel like it's optional, but I am counting it in all of those 7 products that I am going to use. So just to give definition to the eye. So as you know me, I always use these 2 eyeliners at the very same time. And why I am using them, I don't know. I don't know. So I'm just going to apply them on my waterline. So with the eyeliners, if you want to do a wing liner, you're someone who likes to do wing liners and stuff, you can still do that. It's just optional. So, and again, with the false lashes, it is also optional. So you can just apply mascara, then you are good to go. So for me, I am just going to make this look a little bit dramatic with the eyelashes. So I don't like to apply mascara before my false lashes. I like to go in with the false lashes first, then go in with the mascara afterwards. So another product that I am going to add on the 7 products is the setting spray. So it is very important to use a setting spray. So since is the one that is going to hold your makeup the whole day, just for your makeup to stay on one place the whole day, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm just using the Signature Fix Perfect Matte setting spray. I'm just going in with a beauty blender just to press the setting spray in. So the highlighter is just optional, like the powder highlighter is just optional. It's all up to you whether you like highlighter or not, but I'm not adding it on the 7 products. So I'm just going to add a highlighter on the bridge of my nose only, because I feel like this look is incomplete since I am used to applying a highlighter, a powder highlighter. So it's just optional. If you are someone who do not like to apply a powder highlighter, just leave this step. So with regards to what to apply on your lips, it's all about your preference. So I am someone who likes to apply lipstick when I have applied makeup, and I apply lip gloss if I have not applied makeup. So today I am going to try to apply the lip gloss for the purpose of this look. So because we want something very light, very minimum, something that you can be able to wear for the longest time. Obviously lip gloss are the ones that hydrates the lips, because you will be able to wear it for a longer period of time compared to lipsticks, because some lipsticks are very matte and they do not have any moist, so you find that after an hour your lips are already dry. So but for this I just want to apply a lip liner before the lip gloss. I'm not sure how this look is going to be, but if I don't like it, I'll just switch to something else, maybe lip gloss only or lipstick. I'm just applying a brown lip liner. So the lip gloss that I am using is the Discam Lip Therapy. This is in honey. So far this is my favorite lip gloss. So this is the final look, guys, and I love it. It's very lightweight. Even like on my skin, I feel like I did not apply any foundation or any makeup product, just the eyelashes and stuff. So it is very minimal and very good for students, like, you know, college life, tertiary life. And even if you are someone who likes very minimal makeup when you go to work or when you go to anywhere, if you are in a hurry and you want to look amazing but apply less product, this is the best tutorial for you. So, and I just hope you have enjoyed creating this makeup look with me, and as much as I've enjoyed creating it, and it doesn't look that bad, you know. I'm used to like high coverage concealers and stuff, but this one doesn't look that bad. I love it. Even the looks, like the lips is a vibe with the lips. I love them. So, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.